Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I don't mean to confuse you with, I was using the same sign for Crazy Quilt Friday, which is today, but now I've lost both of them. Not lost, misplaced, yes. You know me, they'll turn up eventually. So today we're going to talk about machine embroidery instead of hand embroidery. I'm going to use this block. I've already put some hand embroidery on it, but the main seams I'm going to use this very shiny Sulky Sliver metallic. Okay, now you have to set your machine up. You have to have a sharp needle, not one that you've sewed paper with. Get yourself a new needle. You can get an embroidery needle or whatever, just make sure it's new and very sharp. You're going to need, I'm just going to use regular bobbin thread. And let me look and see if I can tell what color. Okay, I have this in the bobbin. Okay. You're going to do something that will feel very unnatural. You're going to set your tension to 0. I know, it sounds sacrilegious. Put your tension all the way down to 0. And I will show you on my machine the different stitches, and I am not going to film myself actually doing the stitches, but we'll come back and look at them. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the machine. This is my machine. It was given to me by an ex-boyfriend, the one who told me, you know why I didn't recognize you? Because you used to be skinny. Yeah, that guy. I took it anyway. Okay, so you're going to set your tension down to 0. I already put a new needle in. You can see my bobbin thread. Okay, these are the different. Okay, I use 17. I'm going to try 24. I'm going to try 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 44, and I don't know. I may try them all. I may try some. So I will meet you back over. Oh, when you okay, like 1, it changes itself. Gosh darn it. It changes the stitch length, so you don't have to be messing with that. So I'm going to thread up and I'll be back. Okay, here we have number 17. I realize you've already seen this. I used it on those Crazy Quilt Crows. Isn't it awesome? This is number 24, a starburst design. So on to the next couple of stitches. Okay, I really like this Greek key. And look at the little leaves. Awesome. And this is, it's like a feather stitch variation. So yeah. And you could use regular rayon thread. Why not? Use cotton thread. Experiment. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You have to experiment. So I'm going to switch to copper, and I'm going to do these last 3 seams, and I'll be back. Okay, let's start here. It had a bit of a problem. For some reason right here it bunched up, so I switched to a different one, which I wasn't that impressed with. So this is like my least impressive seam. That, I don't know what you call that. I don't know if you can even see it good. It's kind of like a buttonhole stitch, but it closes up too. But and this one. So I will, oh, this is the leaf, but I just kept going. But see how it makes, you can make leaves off of a stem. So I'll finish this block with, finish these out with beads or something, maybe more embroidery, and just add a little bit to it, buttons and, you know. So let me show you some other colors. Comes in purple, turquoise, silver, red. This is a different gold. I think it is a lighter gold. This is a lighter gold. So let's put them on here like this. I have lots of silver. I must have got a good deal somewhere because I have a ton of silver. Like when I say a ton, I mean, yeah, I'm not a hoarder. I'm not a silver hoarder. Okay, this is very similar. It's Coates and Clark. See how that is similar? It's Glitz. There's the copper. I have a bunch of that. This is thinner, Madeira, but it works. These work. Metallic thread. Metallic thread. Okay, this is the rayon, Sulky. I really like it too. So you can also use this. If you have the capability to do 2 threads at once, this is really pretty, like this and this together. I do not have that capability on this machine unless I buy another spool holder, which I might do eventually. So there you have it. You can embroider on a machine too. There's just so many things you can do with Crazy Quilt. But yeah, this is definitely going in a bunch of my quilts now. This one. Maybe this one too. And this one. I love the leaves. I love the leaves, and I love that leaf. So we'll see. I will keep you informed. Please come back for Mixed Media Monday. I'm going to my daughter's this weekend. I may have some stories to tell. Who knows? Okay, I love you. Crazy Quilt on.